Hey guys, welcome to the next stage of the affiliate mastery training. It's James here, just going through the how to build basically just a simple funnel for selling affiliate products, just to get you started and underway. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to quickly show you how to build a bridge page. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to, so we've already done the opt-in, which is a lead page where they get a free ebook. Now we want to get them into the Octane Review Plus bonuses. Octane's a great product. It's where you can edit and render videos on YouTube, and you can beat the YouTube algorithm so they can't detect duplicate content. And that way you'll be able to, so if you don't like doing videos, if you want to find a review elsewhere, you can trim it, cut it, and add it as your own. It's completely legal to do so, and it's just a great way to create videos and help you generate commissions and bonuses. So I'm just going to quickly go through into the thank you page. I'm going to go edit. All right. And what we want to do, I've already sort of half created something here just to get a bit of flow. And what I'm going to do is that I just want to enter a new section really quickly up the top. I want to make it full width because I don't want to outbalance the page. New row, just one column. I want to create a new element and I want to do a headline. Okay. Now I want to change the font setting to this because I want it to match the rest of the page. I've gone with Poppins, and I'm just going to say your ebook, free ebook has been sent to your free book will arrive in your email in 15 minutes, but and I'm going to say while you wait, check out Octane and bonuses below. I might just take that down a little bit, turn it down a little bit. Okay, font size, just turn it down a little bit, and then I'm probably just going to make it like a nice red color. Text color, red. Check spam folder. Always do that. So when they do that, the only way they can get it is to actually take you out. So take you out of the see if this works now. I don't think you're going to work for me today. I might delete that because I want it white, and there's no point adding something in there that's not going to work. Oh, I just want to put a headline. I'll put it right there. And I'm going to go text color. Here we go, this will work. Alright, there we go. Octane Review Plus bonuses, VIP bonuses. By James Fawcett. Alright, so they know who I am. Alright, so there'll be a video going in here, just basically outlining the product, outlining Octane. I'll show you Octane really quickly in a minute. And then what it's going to do here, it's going to go down into here. So Octane Review VIP bonuses are at 9 minutes and 17 seconds. So that means basically that's when I'm going to start talking about the bonuses. And actually a lot of people in affiliate marketing go through and actually look for the bonuses on it, what else they can add value, and so basically add value to the product. So what they're actually appealing, so they might be getting a value of say about $1,000 for around about $27. So, and then we get a bit of a fear of loss, a bit of time restraint, and I'm just going to put say 24 hours. So I've already added something in here. You can actually find this. I'll show you guys where. I'm going to just create a new element here so I can show you guys where. So you can actually find it in the countdown section here, and you just get the minute timer. So it just counts the hours. If you do countdown, you're going to get days, months, years, and you don't really want that. So you just want to do the minute timer. So you just get minutes. I might just do say 15 hours and 48 seconds. Something off. Shows that the time is still running. And then what I want, and then what I'm going to do is VIP. So click here to grab Octane at VIP discounted price plus bonuses. Make it a nice big button. And then what you want to do, you want to go to you want to direct that to the website. Just one button's fine. I'm just going to go back in here. I want to change the color of that button. Okay. I just want to keep it as simple, say blue. Blue is a very good high converting color for these offers. You can make it, I think it might be better off going a bit red because the Octane page is red. So we'll just go with that one. It's pretty good. So there you go. There's a web page with a video review. Click here to grab Octane at the VIP discounted price. I might just change that up a little bit. VIP discount. Go back. Sorry guys. Alright, here we go. Alright, there we go. Very simple bridge page. We're going to click save. We want to save it. Then we want to say Octane review plus bonuses. And I'll put my name up here to make it a bit different in the search engines. And then I'm going to save it again. We don't need to do anything up here. We're not metadata. You might want to actually, if you're going to run ads, grab it, or you got Facebook and you got an ad account, grab a pixel and put it in there and start building your audience. Start grabbing people's information and start putting it through there, and you can build a custom audience on people that are actually enjoying the content or want to make money online. And then that way, if you want to run like Facebook ads, you can actually retarget Octane to them, and you'll be able to grab higher conversions as well. And then we're just going to quickly grab Octane on the link. So you want to go in here. You can actually, if you want to get a bonus, I'm going to give you a link to a bonus that you guys can give away to help you get started. And it's going to be within the funnel, but you can obviously do that. I'm going to show you the Octane page and why I got the red button. So this is where someone would actually go if they're going to purchase through my affiliate link. They'll be sticky cookied, and that way when they go through the upsells, they'll be able to actually do that. Say Octane video, go passive income in just 3 clicks. There we go. So it's just taking a minute to load. So your passive income within 30 minutes goes through the video automatically plays. It's got John L. Armstrong there in the pool. And this is what the first person sees, and then they'll get to get instant access. They'll go through, they'll purchase, and they'll get access to your bonuses on the other side. So I'm just going to quickly go back. If you want to request, so for example, you can just go request, and in the next video I'll show you guys how to actually request an offer here at Warrior Plus. You go to request approval once you create your account, and then you'll want to select Warrior Plus wallet because there's been a lot of issues with PayPal lately. So please make sure you want the account to go to a wallet, and then what you would say is, and then you'll be able to request notes and request the offer. I'm not going to do anything here because I'm not going to promote this product at the moment, but you'll be able to request, and I'll show you actually what to say in order to get approved for your offer. So, and then we're just going to go back to find the Octane link. I just want to grab my links, so I'm just going to go here, approved only. I want to grab the link. I'm just going to copy, Control C. I'm going to go down to my button. And I'm going to set the action. I want to go to the website URL. And we'll go back. I don't want to open up a new page. I don't want to be annoying. Go that, save. Alright guys, well that's how you create a bridge page, and how to quickly grab a link from Warrior Plus and start promoting. And then that now is going to go into Octane. So we're just going to go to preview. It's going to go down to my video explainer, and this is going to go straight to Octane. There you go, buy Octane, and straight to the sales page. So I'm just going to get out of that now. So yeah, alright guys, well thanks very much. And that is how you create a bridge page, and I look forward to the next training on how to grab an offer and from Warrior Plus and how to request it and get approved without being denied. Thanks guys.